Hey everyone, it's David from Train Day, and today we're going to add some scenario-based training to our home health aid course here on Train Day. So we're going to go to trainday.io. I'm going to go ahead and log in, and we already have this home health aid training, right? So we're going to click on this one, and I just want to add a scenario to it, right? So we'll go in our projects. I have one scenario right there, but we're going to add a scenario in the middle, right? So we're going to click Add Slide. We're going to click Scenario. And right here, we want to edit this one, right? So let's go over and let's generate a scenario. And let's just say like patient is refusing care, right? At home. And we'll use this. It's going to generate a scenario for us. And here's our scenario. So if you click on it, it has a little scenario right there, refusing medication, and it gives us multiple choice answers, and it has a correct answer. If you don't like it, you can delete it. You can create one from scratch, or you can just generate a new one, right? So here's what our slide looks like. We'll go ahead and move our presenter here, and we'll go ahead and generate this voiceover, right? And yes, we want the captions. Then after that, we're gonna animate the answers a little bit. So it gives us just a little bit of a motion right when the slide starts up. And maybe we'll give some animation to our presenter also, right? Okay, let's see. Let's see how this sounds now. Whoop.
A home health nurse visits a patient who has a chronic illness.
There we go. Let's add just a little bit of animation right there. And let's take this question, animate that one, this one, and then this last one, and let's check out how it looks, right?
A home health nurse visits a patient who has a chronic illness. The patient refuses to take.
So that looks pretty good. So you already can use this in the learning management system that we have right here. So here all your learners take this.
A patient who has a chronic illness. The patient refuses to take prescribed medication and states,
and you can just select your answer, right? And that will go into your LMS and also the internal LMS in Train Day, right? And then also, you can translate this. If we want to edit the questions, we can go over here and translate. Let's say if we want to do it in Spanish. Now the entire video script's in Spanish and all the answers and the question, right? And you could duplicate it and kind of have two different versions, right? So then, no, we don't want to render this. Let's do the voiceover again, and we'll see how the Spanish one sounds, right? And you can translate the entire course in 30 different languages, but we're just going to demo this with just individual slides, right? All right, this is done. Let's see how this one looks.
Una enfermera a domicilio visita a un paciente con una enfermedad crónica. El paciente se niega a tomar la medicación.
So that's it. You see we lost our animations, but we could just add our animations right back when we translated it. So there we go. That's scenario-based training in Train Day. I hope you have a great time with it, and I can't wait to see what you build. See you next time.